Hello and welcome to my Astrology Basics crash course. We're going to be starting today with elements, but there's a lot of things I want to go over in these episodes, like modalities, the 12 houses, the 12 zodiacs, the 36 deacons, degree theory, aspects, personal planets, generational planets, opposite or sister signs, and much more. We're going to be talking about elements today. The elements are just one of the ways you can break up the 12 zodiacs into categories, and they include fire, earth, air, and water. The first one we're going to go over today is fire. Fire is such a fun energy. It's expansive, outgoing, masculine, not in a heteronormative, patriarchal way, but in astrology, masculine just means it initiates, whereas feminine energy is responsive. It's fast-moving, transformational, positive, optimistic, confident, and includes Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Up next, we have Earth traits. Earth signs are stable, practical, grounded, responsible, hardworking, realistic, and sensible. These are the people that you want to go to when shit's going down, because fire signs are the life of the party, but you want to go to earth signs when you're in trouble. They are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Up next, we have water signs. Water is receptive, emotional, fluid, intuitive, creative, deep, feminine, and loyal. It includes Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. I feel like a common misconception when you hear the word emotional is that these people are always just crying, and that is not the case. There is a wide spectrum of emotions, and water signs feel all of them. And finally, we have air traits. I love air. I actually have very little of it in my chart, so I definitely have to make up for that by surrounding myself with air signs. Air signs are witty, intellectual, social, masculine, and logical. They include Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. These people tend to be emotionally disconnected. Not that they don't have emotions, I think they just intellectualize them. I feel like it's because they have different priorities, I guess. But that is all. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm going to see you next time. We're going to cover modalities. So, see you then.